So hey guys, welcome back to another session. So you know what? Everyone uses AI to chat. Today I'm going to show you something completely different. I'm going to use Gemini Canvas to build a fully digital product step by step in front of you. Right? And this is one of the most underrated and most unknown as well, because many people don't use Canvas in the right way. And if you look at the power, and it sits in your phone, and it is really powerful, guys. And it, as you know, it uses Gemini 3 Pro. And yeah, let's start it's not a tutorial or it's not a demo. We are creating a real product that you can use or sell or turn into a real income stream. And the best part is you can repeat this exact process for any niche. So this is going to be a complete tutorial that it extends or broadens your creativity. You can use this as a foundation, you can start really building things. So yeah, let's go. So what are we building, right? Today we're building the AI content creation starter kit. It includes monthly planner, a weekly planner, viral hooks, scripts, templates, content ideas, posting checklists, everything a new content creator needs, right? Because a content creator doesn't know what to do in the beginning, because I am a beginning content creator, and this is the problem which I face. I don't have a proper tool or a kit where I can do everything all in one place, like a calendar. This is the kind of digital product people actually pay for, and we are building it live inside Gemini Canvas. And you can build it in Google AI Studio and stuff, but yeah, Gemini Canvas is there right in front of you. Why? And it has all the things which is required, and it also uses Gemini 3 Pro. So let us just go discover it. Okay, so guys, right now we are in Gemini. So let us go to tools. How do you find canvases? It's simple, just go for tools and just select canvas. So I told what my idea was, right? I wanted to build a content creator kit where I can access a calendar, where I can create content, the ideas which I want, so that it is not jumbled, and I want a lot more stuff, right? For that I used ChatGPT for creating prompts so that I can put in canvas, because I told what my idea was. And the content it gave was this: start the project, the outline, paste this Gemini canvas, right? So we'll copy the code and we'll go to Gemini and we're going to paste the prompt. So here it is, and let us just give it and let's see what it builds, right? We build a digital product called the AI content creation kit, and create a clean structured outline with the following sections. It should have monthly content planner, weekly content planner. It should have 10 viral hook templates, script outline templates, 50. Okay, it is building a content starter kit. So yes, it did. So now what are we gonna do? We will tell it to build it in a great UI, like a proper SaaS tool. So yes, it just gave me this. Let's go to the ChatGPT and see what the next prompt it told. Build the monthly planner, expand the monthly section into a clean printable layout, right? So copy code. I just told everything I wanted, so I'll just go paste the code that as well. So we're going to post it as well, and let's see what we can build, right? And I'll be building a lot of SaaS tools as well, just to show you not a proper production, and I'm building one for sure, which is really helpful. So we'll be building a lot of SaaS tools. The front end and the back end, you need one brain, that is any one API key or 2-3 API keys. Then you need a cloud where you can launch it, and then it is finally launched. And to make it reach the people, you need audience, or you have to do content. You have to start creating content. Here's the monthly content planner as and a printable asset. I've separated this one way. Okay, yes. So it did give me a calendar where I can type as well, and week updates, what are the days which I can give. So what if we ask it, let's write or build together. I want it as a SaaS tool, right? And let's see what the ChatGPT gave with the next. This is the first page. Planners always sell because they are practical. Watch how Canvas turns simple instructions into usable templates, right? Now create a weekly prompt 3. We'll build the weekly planner. So yes, let's go. So now you want a weekly planner. So every week you want to plan your content. What are you gonna post? and at the end we are going to convert this into a beautiful UI and UX, because that's what matters, right? So designing the weekly planner, and I'm currently structuring a new file, and we are going to do it within minutes, guys, and can you believe it? Next thing what we are going to learn is, yeah, I think it is building a end of week review. So yes, it has Sunday, what are the concept which I'm going to do, or rest of week, end of the week, radical honest time, total posts published, you have to just put it out of 7 days, what worked the best. So it is a simple thing for now. And prompt 4, create the viral hooks page. So copy code, we'll just create a viral hook page first. So let's see what the Gemini canvas can do, right? I'm building something, and you can do this as well. The intention of doing this video is to show what is the potential of Gemini, right? And it is not just some random stuff. The backend, if you see, there is a lot of stuff going on, a lot of thinking going on, and we are using Gemini thinking with 3 Pro, which is the Gemini 3 Pro. And listen to me closely, but if the first 3 seconds are boring, you're dead in right. Here are the hooks, right? It is generating viral 3 hooks, right? Prompt 5, build the script template. Expand the script outline template page into 5 sections. Hook each section, add 2-3 bullets, provide 1 example line. So we got the prompt 5, and we are going to paste that as well. So once you paste, you're going to get templates, you're going to get hooks, everything which is organized way. And at the end, as I told, we are going to wrap it around a proper UI UX, like it should look like a SaaS tool. And the prompt, we are going to ask ChatGPT as well to give me a detailed prompt to convert this into a SaaS tool with clean UI, with clean UI stuff and all. So yeah, generate the 50 content ideas. So I think there are many prompts, final assembly plus export. So let me just tell Canvas, now you have the idea of what we are building, and instead of using the GPT 5.1 version, we are gonna put a Gemini 3 Pro for stress, right? So now you have the idea of what we are building. So now convert this into a beautiful UI and UX with lots of coding. Just don't don't judge my prompting, because this is how I prompt, and let's see if I get the results, because I told with lots of coding. So I want it to look like a proper kit with good theme and good colorings, and it should look like a proper SaaS tool, right? I want it to look like a proper SaaS tool so that I can sell it, right? So think deeply, because don't forget, guys, this, because this gives a lot of stress, because when you just press think deeply and do it with the highest level of coding and highest amount of coding. So this is how we are going to send, and let's see what it does. So we told it to complete this entire text into a proper SaaS tool, right? And we, so that I can use every day, and if required I'll be able to sell it as well. So it is architecting the core features. I'm now immersed in the metamorph of the AI content starter kit. My focus has shifted from the initial markdown files to sketch out the core architecture. So as I told, it has started coding, and let's see what the data looks like. So it'll be helpful not only for me, for many other content creators as well who out there, and I can literally charge for this, right? Because it has a complete kit. So it is generating a lot of code. So I don't know, it has started the coding. So the preview will be over here, and I'm really excited to see it. It'll have, see what does it include. It already gave us. So we are talking about those static text files and convert into high performance interactive React dashboard. So prettier. This is a command center. I'm using a dark mode high contrast aesthetic, the standard for premium creative tools. This code includes the entire suite: dashboard, monthly strategy, weekly execution, hooks, libraries, script. It includes everything, guys. Can you believe? With just prompt, I don't have any knowledge about code. I don't know what. I just told it what should I do. I generated the content, I generated the prompt from ChatGPT, and I told it what I was building. Then I told convert this into a proper SaaS tool with highest level of coding and with highest amount of coding. When I put this, because it uses a lot of code, I don't know, I don't know whether the highest amount of coding works or not, but I hope it does. So yeah, we will be back again when the thing is ready, right? And it is still coding, and with the meantime, let us see how fast it does, and we'll be back. Oh yes, it is ready. It is ready, and I'm really excited to see what it did, right? I don't want this fake things, because new followers, overview, upcoming tasks. So I have script. Yes, it does look good. So new project, I can create a new project. So I let me just be harsh, or this is not useful for me, right? Total views, because I don't have, and I have two creators dashboard. What do you have? Oh, nice. You have monthly plan. You can create whatever you want, monthly targets, right? Oh, this is a fully calendar, weekly execution, whatever you gonna do. Suppose I wanna build. Okay, I have to press. Okay, this is not working for now. So make the weekly execution. This feature is not working currently. So let us see what. Okay, viral hooks. Oh, it did create me a viral hooks. I think this is just a mock. Educational common action. Okay, not bad. You have the option to copy as well. Something went wrong, so we'll fix the error later. So what are the script builder? Okay, so you can just script build, just tell what hook want, and it completely build the scripts. Idea generator, it generates idea how to use XAI. Oh, this is good idea, guys. We can build a complete SaaS tool for users. Pre-publishing product, do not press publish until these are green. Oh, nice. Audio check quality, yes, did you do? Okay, but for me, what I wanted to use it right now. So view all tasks. So let me say I want it completely functional. I want every feature to work. So new project, I don't know, new project button is not working. So I'll just tell it in a common language. I don't mind it, because I want the work done, and I don't want any of this English. Oh, you have to do like this. I want the work done, and I'll do anything possible. So yes, it did a pretty good job. Monthly planner, I'm not able to add stuff in monthly planner, so let me just tell what I want to add. I want every feature to be functional, and I want to be able to add the tasks in the monthly planner, and it should be really functional. And I want this in light mode, because I think it will be more attractive. I want it to be in light mode. I want the best aesthetic, and I want best aesthetic. What should I see? Like, what are the changes which I want? Suppose I want it to be best. If you want it looks like a good, but I want it even more better. If you look at, I want the best fonts, right? The fonts are good, but the cards are okay, but I want the best and aesthetic cards in the dashboard. Every detail must be focused, right? Every detail must be focused, and I want it to look like a premium best SaaS tool in the world, like Google, OpenAI. I'll just give it some kind of reference so that it goes and analyzes some of the top YouTube or top websites or SaaS tools, how it looks, so that it can implement. I want everything functional. So think deeply and then do the changes. Do it with highest level of coding, and highest amount of coding. So this is my, whenever I build a SaaS tool, this is my permanent line. I always use this highest level of coding and highest amount of coding, because it stresses, because I've seen the results when I don't put it and I put it. So let me just give and let's see what the changes is. This is going to be a good big session, but if you really learn what you're doing and if you really see the code, how fast the code is changing, right, and it completely analyzes and thinks more than you could, more than a human brain could, right? And nobody ever stresses this much, right? So the preview will be here. I think there is some kind of a fix. Okay, the coding has started all from the beginning, and there are some other tools as well, guys. Like, let me just use the Samsung Notes. So there are some other good tools as well which you can use, like Gemini CLI, which runs in you. And I'm building a really good big SaaS tool for my benefits which I wanted, but now I'm building it soon as well. So let me just open, I don't know this. Okay, so I think there is a lot of lagging because I'm using multiple stuff. So let me just see how can I the things which comes up. So we'll meet after the thing is done. Sorry, after the SaaS tool is done. Okay guys. Buttons and it looks so aesthetic and professional, and I think the animations are good as well. Let me see if I'll be able to add some stuff. Yes, see, I am able to add some stuff. And today, so let me just see what are the stuff which I can add. Suppose on Monday I want to create a video on AI. So let me just just create a video about AI. So I just added create a video about AI. Okay, so the monthly planner is working properly, and viral hooks. Okay, viral hooks. So let me just educational story, because this viral hooks. Okay, I think, should I type the viral hooks or what? I don't know how does this work. Okay, there is some error. Let me see. Okay, let me just, the script builder, nice, preview will appear here. Okay, this is how it will look. Type your hook over here. Okay, nice, guys. The grab button increase and use a pattern attempt. Okay, call to action, idea bank. Okay, what does this do? Never run out of content. Click generate to get fresh. Okay, you can copy all the content you want and the checklists. So give me an option. Okay, what are the changes which I think with my brain, what can I do? So viral hooks, I don't want these kind of viral hooks. I want, give an option to create a workspace or create a project, and I'll be giving the niche, and every day the viral hooks should be automatically generated, and it should be able, and we should be able to edit it easily. And this is a good feature for me, because whenever I go, I want the viral hooks to automatically come every single day, and I should be able to edit it easily. Even if I don't want, I should be able to copy it, right? This is the thing which I'll be going to give it next. Let me just say, in the viral hooks feature, I should be able to what I want to tell it that, okay, create an option to create a workspace or a project where I will be entering the niche I don't know, wait, 1 second. Niche I am in. and the viral hooks should automatically generate every day every day based on the niche which I put in the project. I want this to be a in a good UI and UX. I should be able to copy. I should be able to edit the hooks and also be able to I should all be able to edit the hooks, and I should be able to copy the hooks easily. Okay, so this is the changes which I think it would be really helpful, because once I create a project and every day it'll give me viral hooks library, so that I don't need to do, I just have to scroll what are the recent trendings. So yeah, the viral hooks. Okay, I am gonna tell it that the viral hooks should be based on the current trends which is going on, so it should analyze and then give me the hooks. The viral hooks should be on the basis of trending in the social media platforms or whatever it is, platforms, so that I get views. Yes guys, that is important, no? So that I get views. So this is what I did. So that what are the things which I should change, right? And dashboard looks good, and I don't know what are the engagement activities. This chart is a priority tasks, script AI video. So this is all my tasks, priority tasks. So monthly planner is nothing but, you know, okay, I want a full calendar. I want full calendar so that I can switch between months. Okay, this section has worked, and all the today this button should work, and I should be able to search something. Workspaces monthly, viral hooks will generate, script builder, I don't know, and also make the script. Okay, I don't know what the script builder is, right? So let me just say what this view is. So I'm not building complete SaaS, but I'm just showing you what can you build, right? You can build a complete SaaS just by prompting. This is my intention of the video, guys, because if we really have to build a SaaS, it takes a lot of time, because this is the things which you should do. There's nothing big or nothing some rocket science in building a SaaS now, because it was some years maybe, but after AI and after these kind of tools has come, it is very easy for you to build a UI and UX, because this is the front end, right? This is where most people spend their time, and once you get this, the backend stuff can be done by AI. So that is how you'll be able to do. And after this, I think the video is gonna be too long, and I think I have served my purpose of how can you use Gemini Canvas, and I'll also be uploading more such videos as well as some of the AI tools which you can build and and you can build, and which broadens your creativity. And that's what my goal is, so that you enhance your creativity, build stuff. This is the right time, as you have seen, many people are talking about, this is the right time to build, and I agree completely, because if you look at the speed of generating the code, I'm really shocked, right? As a non-coder, I'm able to do this much stuff, guys. Can you believe that stuff which I did, right? From knowledge, from creating months, or I never knew this things right now, and I'm able to build a complete SaaS front end. Back end also will, if we tell, it might integrate the back end and we can ship it. And the next thing which would be important is creating content, and yeah, that is what matters a lot in this AI era, in this 2025. And I think it is ready, so we'll just preview it. Okay, I don't know, personal brands. Okay, nice. Viral hooks, yes, it generate daily. Okay, this is good. Monthly, I think it removes some of the few steps. I think monthly calendar, yes, this is also working as well. 2026, so it has a lot of data, and I think I won't be able to create now. I don't know why he removed that shit. Oh, I can create stuff. Okay, I have to go. Okay, I have to be careful. The dashboard is ready. It is complete. You're in December. You can create new campaign. That button you can make it work. View all tasks. Let me just create a new. Okay, create new. Okay, project name. Suppose what is the project name? AI for finance. Project name, I'm gonna keep AI for finance. So niche, what is the niche? Okay, for example, AI, how to integrate, oh sorry, how to integrate AI in finance. So create and switch. So yeah, as soon as you switch, I think viral hooks will be okay. See, this is simple feature, and it also gives, stop ignoring this if you want results. So it gives you, and you have to just integrate some API keys, and yes, it is a complete ready SaaS tool in front of you. And I think I can